Hi, I'm Pam from Klipfolio. I want to give you a little bit of an introduction on working with data sources in Klipfolio and particularly how to create a power metric. So as you can see here, I've got a list of data sources that's already in Klipfolio. When I create a power metric from scratch, it will create a data source connection and a model under the covers. So I'd like to show you how to create a power metric and look at the steps required. We'll use one of our saved data sources, and Klipfolio has lots of capability for bringing in data sources and manipulating the data query or transforming your data right in Klipfolio as part of your data prep activities. A power metric itself is a little different. It's a data container which has the metric values, which is why it's asking me to choose one of the metrics. These are basically all the columns in that data source. And then a number of dimensions can be brought into a power metric. So, you can choose up to 5 by default. And let's just choose a few of these. And then the power metric also stores data in a date time format. So it keeps track of all the historical values for you, which is really huge for social media feeds, for example, that don't actually provide historical data. The power metric can keep track of that for you. And then you can determine, and we will do our best to automatically determine how your data is formatted and what type of data you're importing, whether it's transactional, current values, or a periodic type of data source. So you can always change that. And then decide what you're the name that you're going to give this power metric, change any formatting, decide if you're going to show it as a cumulative value or not, and what the favorable trend is. So those are all the steps involved in creating a power metric. Once you have saved a power metric, you'll be able to use it and manipulate it directly. It's actually added it to the dashboard that I had open here. So I can had a visitor, Google Analytics dashboard open, and now I've got some revenue data that I can start to configure and manipulate on that dashboard as well. So that is what's involved in creating a power metric, and you can see you can visualize your data instantly and get immediate access to it here on your dashboards.